Hey, I'm Irene, and this is going to be a video about me. And a video about me. I know, a video about me. But hey, whatever. I had a really awesome year this year, and I owe it all to these people and the events I went through. So, hey, thank you. I also like to document my life a lot. Well, through Snapchat anyway. Here are some prime examples. I know, a little weird. But I also like to create movies. Here's an example of my video project for Digital Toolbox. Kind of funny, but it's kind of cool too at the same time. Here, have a listen. Or look, I don't know.
It's been 10 years, and I've got my new set of scars.
But you get the gist of it, right? And even though I didn't know what I was going to do for my video project, I hope you like it. Well, yeah. Well, have a great summer. Okay, bye.